Hey everyone, welcome back to EasyPY, Zero to Hero series. Today we're diving into advanced string formatting in Python, from dicts and lists to numbers and even dates. Let's get started. Section 1. Basic f-strings. The simplest and most modern way to format strings in Python is using f-strings. You just put the variable inside curly braces. Section 2. Formatting numbers. You can control how numbers look, like rounding decimals, adding commas, or even converting to percentages. Section 3. Dicts and lists. You can directly format values inside dicts and lists using the format method. Super useful when working with structured data. Section 4. Date and time formatting. With the datetime module, you can display dates and times however you like: year, month, day, or full custom formats. Section 5. Best practices. Stick to f-strings for most modern Python code. They're clean, powerful, and very readable. Use .format or old-style formatting only when necessary. And that's advanced string formatting in Python. If you learned something new, hit that like button, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more Python tutorials. See you in the next one.